Welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today we're going to chat about the new V4 Xero water-fed pole clamps. Now, what were the older version of the Xero water-fed pole clamps? Were this style. I've been using this style for, I don't know, maybe 5 to 6 years. I've really enjoyed them, never really had any issues with them as far as that goes. How did the older versions work compared to the new version? The older version, when you wanted to extend a section, you would flip up the lever like this. It would come all the way to the side like that, and then you would just extend the section out. Now there was always a little bit of friction as far as along the section when you would bring it out, and so when you brought it in, you would always have to use your hand to collapse it. Same when extending it, right? So then, what these new clamps have done is that it makes it very, very easy to extend the pole. Also, when you release the top clamp to extend that first section, you only need to open it that much. The reason why I say that is that these older clamps, like I kind of just showed, when you extend it, you want to open it all the way. Now, one thing you never want to do with these older clamps that I see some people do is they will turn them and try to close them like so. That's something you never want to do. And that's something you won't be able to do with the new clamps either. So you always want these to be this way and then clamping like that. So those are pretty much the old clamps. You could tighten the dial here as far as making this a little bit tighter, or tightening the Allen bolt there to clamp it down in the section a little bit tighter. All the poles never come like overly tightened, so you kind of can do it to your personal preference as far as how you like it with these older style. The newer style really eliminates a lot of rotation and makes it so much easier to extend the section. So when I undo this, kind of a close-up, that's all I'm doing. I'm not prying this thing any further whatsoever as far as the lever goes. That's it. And then the section just moves freely. Just like that. Latch closed, extend, extend. No friction whatsoever as far as that goes. Sometimes when you get any sort of painted sanded carbon fiber, you can get a little bit unevenness through the sections, but with these new clamps, you'll never even feel that whatsoever. I always enjoyed clamps like this where basically you can do this, where if you have it extended, you can just release it and it just falls down just like that. So I've really, really enjoyed those. That's pretty much simply it. If you look there, there's some cool Xero writing on the actual clamp. I'm trying to make sure the camera grabs that so you see Xero. So really nice new style, same, just flip over the clamp instead of up down. But I just wanted to show you a little bit of video about it, a little bit of an overview about it. And also just as far as tightening them, you would just tighten with this lever here, but you don't need this to be too tight like these ones did. You want that open space there so that you're not, when you're closing this or opening up, having anything break, okay? So that is the new V4 Xero water-fed pole clamps. If you want to check them out, they're at windowcleaner.com and currently coming with most Xero poles. So if you have any questions, comment below, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.